Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today we will be making these super soft, fluffy and easy donuts. So let's get started. Here in a bowl I'll be adding 3.5 cups of flour. Full recipe will be given in the description down below. If you're new to my channel, like, share and subscribe. Now we'll add 1 tablespoon of instant yeast, 1/3 cup of sugar, mix well, Now we will add 2 tablespoons of softened butter, 2 eggs, and 1 cup of warm water. You can add the water gradually while kneading the dough. Here I'm kneading my dough in a stand mixer for 15 minutes. You can knead your dough by hand for 20 minutes. Here our dough is completely ready. Place your donut dough on a clean surface dusted with flour. Cut into 12 equal portions. Roll out each portion into a long strip. Tie a knot and fold in as I'm showing you in the video. You will get this beautifully shaped donut. You can shape your donuts as you like. Continue with the rest of the donut dough. Place your beautifully designed donuts on a tray dusted with flour. Here our donuts are all done. Cover the donuts and let it rest for 1 hour. After 1 hour, our donuts are perfectly ready to fry. Place the donuts gently in the hot oil. Fry the donuts on low to medium heat, 2 to 3 minutes on each side until golden brown. Don't fry the donuts in extremely hot oil. Your donuts either might get burned or it can be undercooked. Once they're golden brown on one side, flip them gently onto the other side. Here our donuts are perfectly fried and they're super soft. Now coat your donuts into castor sugar. Here our donuts are perfectly ready. Full recipe will be given in the description down below. Look at how soft and fluffy the donuts are. Please do try out this recipe and give me your feedback. And please subscribe to my channel. Thanks for watching. Bye.